आइए जानते हैं फ्रेंड्स हैंड जेस्चर के नाम इंग्लिश और हिंदी में। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Waving hand, praying hand and folded hand, rising middle finger and middle finger standard, flexed biceps या tense biceps. Call me. Vulcan salute या Mr. Spock greeting, raised hand, raised back of hand, pointing index finger, pointing downwards, pointing upwards, pointing to the left, pointing to the right. OK hand, sign of horns, I love you, victory hand, crossed finger, right facing fist या fist pointing right, left facing fist या fist pointing left, rising both hand, raised fist, fist hand या punch, thumbs up, thumbs down, palms against each other या palms up together, handshake, clapping, open hand, pinching, writing hand, foot,